Okay, so I'm gonna start making up the mashed potatoes. Oh, here we go. It wasn't sparking. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do this. And let me see. Overkill. Then just do a little bit of sharpen. I could use a smaller knife, obviously, but I don't know, I lost so much weight and so much muscle that even this, it doesn't feel heavy, but how can I explain this? I just need to start building muscle. I mean, again, this is not heavy, but it's heavier than my other knives. So here we're putting in our mashed potatoes. I mean our diced potatoes, like peel them. So we're gonna add some salt. So we're gonna just let these boil. Typically, I recommend don't use too much salt at the start. I usually only cook for 2 of us, so I have an idea of how much salt I can use, or if I just should not use any, then each one to their own. So we're gonna let that boil. Next, I'm gonna chop up a bunch of garlic so I can start working with the fish. Because we're gonna put the fish and the asparagus into tin foil separately, so that they can basically come out at the same time. And then hopefully by then I can have these 2 ready. This one should be almost ready, and then it's just a matter of cooking up the steak. Everything should come out at the same time, so we'll see. Come back in a little bit.